Hi friends, today we are unboxing Panasonic HC-V720 camcorder. At first, here is the review unit of Panasonic HC-V720 camcorder. It's not a retail box. As you can see, here it is written that the box is designed for magazine sample, not for retailing. But of course, its contents would be the same as available in the retail unit. So without taking much time, let's open up this box to know what comes inside this box. So at first, here is the camcorder itself on the top. Taking it aside for a while. The next thing that is inside this box is the HDMI cable. As you can see, it's an HDMI cable for connecting with any HD TV or HD display. Next thing is the cable for charging purposes. And here is the charger. It's a travel charger, but of course you have to carry this cable with this charger for charging this camcorder. After this, here is a shoe adapter for using some hot shoe enabled devices and accessories with this camcorder. Here is the battery pack. As you can see, it's a small battery pack, but of course users can update with some heavy battery packs as well. There is a data cable as well for syncing with PC. It's a USB to mini USB data cable. And at last, the company has provided a CD which has a manual as well as an HD writer. After taking a look at the accessories that come inside the box, let's switch on this camcorder by putting this battery into this camcorder. The camcorder originally comes with a 1940 milliampere battery, which is pretty good for taking shots. Users can easily put this battery in this camcorder. So here the camcorder switch on without taking any much time. The display supports touch controls, which makes the camcorder operations easy to use, and it also rotates in 270°, so it's not a problem to take or record any angle shots or videos with this camcorder. So guys, at this note, here is our unboxing on Panasonic HC-V720 camcorder. Stay tuned for in-depth review on Tech13 and keep visiting Tech13 for latest news, reviews, analysis. Take care. Goodbye.